Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
UMLA jong kaseng BJP uba AL Hek ubalong ru menteri jong sarkar jela ulapan pau ba ka BJP hapo ka jela Meghalaya kamshim lale arsap kumbala keno de kiseng balang hakabaya dei ber kajing dawa ya ka sarkar India ban menjur na ka benta ban pentre kamno ya ka airline permit ha ka jela Meghalaya. Uba Alexander L. Hek habaya keren bat kilat pathai kubor ulaong baka syong menta sahau menteri rangba u Conrad K. Sangma ban yalam ya ka kenhun ki MLA ka jela ban Lech Delhi na ka benta ban ya kendu yau menteri ketenat kampo yeng kari India ban ya keren halor ke jingdawa ya ka airline permit. Kadba na kaliang jung baksan bor sulai ulaong baki seng balang ki dei banda tip ya ke jing shisha shua ban kentho bat ban keno namar ba ya ka resolution ban dawa pentre kam ya ka airline permit ha Meghalaya ka dei ka bala menjur da barok ki MLA hapo ka yeng dor bar tau ain bat ya ka kopi jong ka resolution ladap IT ru dau menteri rang ba ka jela sya ka sarkar India.
We are playing the resolution passed in the House. We have the same decision and maintaining the same.
This is only a mere allegation. They should know the ground reality. With the consent of all the 60 MLA, we have a long discussion on ILP, and finally all the 6 MLA they have agreed, and the resolution was adopted, passed, and the copy of the resolution was also handed over by the Chief Minister on behalf of all the 60 MLA, which means on behalf of the people of Meghalaya.
See, this is a bit is internal matter of the BJP. We have been discussing this time and again. Even our in charge of BJP, Dr. Choba Au, he also came here. We discussed this. This is already there. We have been discussing this from time and again. During ILP, we have told you from the beginning, we are also a part of the resolution taken in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly under the leadership of Conrad Sangma, the Honorable Chief Minister. Even the opposition Congress, unanimously we have taken a resolution unitedly that we also are part of the supporting to implement the ILP in our state. BJP is not far away from the decision taken in the Assembly. But the same resolution, we had been under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister. We went and met Amit Shah also to hand over the resolution under his leadership. We have full faith. It is a collective responsibility. When the Chief Minister is leading the way, we have to follow the Honorable Chief Minister. Now even the governor I have not met personally, but I have seen him also has taken a lot of initiative. He's also taken initiative. Why BJP will be back out? BJP is a part and a parcel of this resolution.